Hey, this is John with New Internet Wealth, and today I want to talk about how to use PLR, private label rights products, and turn them into videos that you can upload to YouTube for free traffic and to make affiliate commissions. So, YouTube is a huge source of traffic. Google is the #1 search engine online, and YouTube is the #2 search engine. And as most of you probably know, Google owns YouTube, and so they ensure that it is a dominant search engine. So people come to YouTube for really two main reasons. Either they want to be entertained, they come to watch funny cat videos, music videos, prank videos, fail video, that type of thing. Or they come to YouTube because they want to learn how to do something, and that could be learn how to do things around the house, learn how to build websites, learn how to lose weight, learn how to sleep better, but they want to learn. So they either come to be entertained or to learn. If you are trying to do entertainment videos, that can be a little challenging if that's not really your thing, but how-to videos, educational videos, can be very easy to do, where you don't need to share your face on the video, and you can use them to really make significant affiliate commissions. And so in this video, we're going to talk about how to use PLR products to make videos that you can upload to YouTube and use YouTube as your traffic source. Just as a reminder, making money online is very simple. You need to have something that you're selling, whether that's your product or you're an affiliate for a product or offer, but then you need to get traffic, okay? And traffic is the thing that most people struggle with. They struggle with, how do I get traffic to come and make a purchase? And so I make a commission from that. Well, affiliate marketing is easy because you don't need to have your own product. You can just sell somebody else's product and make a commission when they purchase from you. And YouTube is a tremendous traffic source. And so today we're going to talk about using YouTube as your traffic source. And we're going to show how to make videos without actually showing your face on the video. So first thing you want to do is decide what you want to promote. And so for this video's example, we're going to decide to promote things that are in the keto diet niche. The keto diet continues to be very popular. Lots of people come to YouTube, and if we type in keto, you see all kinds of search results. Keto diet for beginners, keto recipes, keto diet plan for weight loss. Just all kinds of information people are looking for about keto. There's some great products. One of them on ClickBank. ClickBank.com is an affiliate platform. If you go to ClickBank, you'll find several keto products. We'll search by keto. One of the most popular, let's search by not just keyword relevance, but let's search by gravity. Okay. Yeah. So this is one of the most popular right now on ClickBank, the custom keto diet. You can see it's got a super high gravity rating. This just means how many people are actually making money from this product. So any gravity over 50 is really pretty good. And so 200 is great. And you can see average commissions paid per conversion or sale, $43.51. Not too bad. Here's another popular product on ClickBank, Keto Resources, $68.55 gravity, so very good. Average of $26.89 per sale. Okay, and there's other keto products on here as well, and you'll find other keto products out there on other affiliate platforms, but for now we're just going to use ClickBank as an example. ClickBank is free to sign up for, and you can go in here, you can grab your affiliate link, and let's say we're going to promote the custom keto diet. So first thing we need to do is we need to go find some quality PLR, private label rights products. Now again, PLR is something where someone else has done the work for you. They've written an article, they've created videos, audios, etc. But you get to use them as if they were your own. You're buying rights to use them as to your own. You can buy PLR products one-off, but that can be very expensive. And so instead, what I recommend is getting your PLR products from an online membership site. This is one of my favorites. I own a membership to bigproductstore.com. I'll leave a link for this down below the video in the description box. And they offer products from in all kinds of different varieties. You can see audio, just regular articles, ebooks, software, videos, etc. So lots and lots of different options. It's very reasonable. They always have sales going on. You can do a monthly membership of $20 a month, or what I went for is a one-time lifetime payment, $98.50. So, if you do this for $20 a month, after 5 months, now you're actually paying more than this. So, this is a lifetime. You're going to find great information, great products on here to use. So you may want to consider doing the lifetime membership. Let's go ahead and log in to my account. And when you log in, let's go to products. Let's find some ebooks that we can use. We're going to turn the text from the ebook into a video that we're going to upload to YouTube. So we get traffic from our YouTube. So this Easy Keto pack, I've used this before. It's great, but you can see they have lots of good stuff on here, right? Recipes, books, top ketogenic foods and recipes, bulletproof living, for keto diet, so several ebooks. They also have some video courses, etc. So you're going to find lots of information on here. Well, I downloaded this Easy Keto book, and when you open it up, well, first of all, when you just so you can understand, when you buy this and you download it from the bigproductstore.com membership site, you're not only getting the ebook, but you're getting several other things that you could use as well. You're right, checklist, cheat sheet, mind map, sales page, opt-in page, graphics, email swipes, etc. So just so you understand, you're not just getting the ebook. Many times you're getting much more. In this case, we just are using the text from the ebook, right? So if I open that up, that opens as a text file. So here you can see the ebook, Easy Keto. And then if you go down to the table of contents, you can see there's great content, right? So they divide this into part 1, the keto diet, and then talk about different parts of that. And then part 2, meal planning, part 3, recipes, okay? So you don't want to take this entire book and make it into a video, because that would be a super long video. So instead what you want to do is maybe take sections out of here and make multiple videos that you can then upload. So you could, from this one book, you could probably, at a minimum, have 3 videos if you just did part 1, part 2, and part 3. But really, each part you probably can get at least 2, if not 3 or 4 videos out of. And so you could easily have 6 to 10 or 12 videos that you make just from this one book, okay? And again, that's where you may take some of these subsections in part 1 and combine them together. Let's just, for the purpose of here, we're going to go to the tips for going keto section, and then they talk about these different tips: planning your meals, making it fun, try intermittent fasting, listen to your body. Okay, so we're going to try and copy all that text, and we are going to then use that text to convert it into a video. So let me see if I can go and find this tips. Here's benefits, keto, different types of keto, what you can eat, what you can't eat. So again, great ideas for different types of videos, right? So here's the tips, okay? And so this is what we want to copy. These are the parts that we're going to, and then that's it. Okay, so we're going to take this, let me copy it. Let me open up a notepad and paste all that in here, okay? And so you may need to go through a little bit and, just kind of touch up on it, right? Because and here it talks about part 2, so I'm not going to spend, I guess I also want to get rid of that because this video isn't talking about part 2. So, you just want to probably go through and read through it. Obviously, you got a page number here we want to take out. So take some time and do that. But what we're going to do is select all of this and copy it. And we're going to go back here and we're going to take that text and turn it into a video. There's different software that can do this. My favorite is called Pictree. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So let's log into my Pictree account. Pictree allows you to make videos from different sources. So just as a quick overview, you can take a article URL, put that in there, and have Pictree turn that into a video. We are using script. We're going to put our script in, our text, and have Pictree make a video from it. You can have different visuals, different images, etc., that they'll make a video from, and then you can edit videos. So this is where this is another way to have more videos to upload to YouTube. You can on big member content, if you go back, and if we just were to look at video Plr Products, okay, you could, let's see if they have any keto videos. If I can type, we'll find out here. Yeah, look, so here's so this is ours, right? This is our ebook we're working with. So they have a video upgrade, some other video products, but you can take the videos that you get from these PLR videos. You can actually take them, upload them to Pictree, and then you could add a logo, intro, and outro, and now it'll make that video unique. Okay, so 4 different ways that you can make videos using Pictree. We're going to use the script. So enter your video name. We'll just call it Easy Keto Tips, and then you can either paste it in, which is what we're doing, or you can start writing it. So let's actually call this the title of our video, Tips for Going Keto. Okay, and so again, here's where you could break this up a little more if you want. So this is obviously a section. Pictree will break this down more, but you can do a little editing up front as well. So let's just do some of this real quick. And it may turn out this is too much text. Okay, and it does a spell check for us, which is nice. And so once you have everything, then you just want your text in. Now you decide how you want to do this. You're making a video for Facebook, that's this, or Instagram is a square, YouTube is a 16:19. So let's do that. And now it's going to take the text and it's going to use AI, artificial intelligence, to pull keywords out and try to find images and video clips that it thinks are most relevant to the text and create that video. So it's finding the media right now. So this can take a couple of minutes. So while it's doing that, I'm just going to pause the video and we'll come back once this is done in a couple of minutes. Okay, so it finished. It's kind of ironic. I said it might take a couple minutes, and as soon as I paused the video, it literally finished in about 10 or 15 seconds. So it didn't take much longer after I paused it. So what we're working with here, let me try to expand this over a little bit so you can see the editor. And really, these are different components to the video. So this is, it's broken up, what they call their storyboard. So all the different sentences that are going to show on the video. Over here you have the scene, okay, which is the video clip, the text that's on it. You can edit these individual scenes as well. You can change the visuals, I should say. And so, you can use different keywords. You can search by video clips. You can search by images, or you can type in what you want to search. You can upload your own video or image clips if you want to use. Audio, this is where you can have some background music applied. You can listen to it, see if you like it. This is where you could also upload you could use one of the AI voiceovers. Now, these, actually are fine if you're just using YouTube to make affiliate commissions, make sales from products. But if you're trying to get your YouTube channel approved for AdSense to make money from the ads, then you really do need to use your own voice. And so you can do your own voiceover or pay somebody, like on Fiverr, pay a voiceover person to do the voiceover for you, and then you can upload that voiceover, okay? So those are different options. Right now, let's just say we're going to use Joanna. Okay. And then there's different styles, so you can go through and choose how you want it to look. If you want transitions between the scenes, and then if you want to change the format, right? We selected that earlier, but you could change it, and then you can decide do you want 720 or 1080 as far as the quality. So that's how you do it. This isn't really a full overview of how to use Pictree, but it is very simple to use. And then again, you can go through scene by scene and make sure you have appropriate videos, images, and if you want to change anything, then you can. So like here, right, process of switching to keto is easier. Well, they have a picture of Bitcoin. That's not really what we want, so we'd go to visuals, would say keto, and would pick a different video clip to use instead of this Bitcoin image. It's taking a little bit to pull them up, but that's really what you would end up doing. And change that out. So it's a little slow, so we'll give it some time. Okay, so it really wasn't pulling anything up for keto, so I switched to diet, and so it pulled it up. And so you could choose that, and it'll replace that. So you just go through and you go ahead and take the scene by scene. So take a few minutes and go through. And so this is good, right? Estimated video duration about 4.5 minutes. So not bad at all. You can save it along the way. You can preview it, and then once you're done, you just hit generate, and it will generate the video. You can actually post it to social media. Pictree allows, and it'll download your social spreadsheet of your social posts as well. So I'm not going to generate it just for sake of time in this video. What you do is generate the video, and then once you have the video generated, you just go into your YouTube channel, upload that video, optimize it with keywords in your description, include your affiliate link for custom keto diet in the description, right? So let's just say we go to, let's just see, hey, keto diet for beginners. Let's go take a look at this video. I have the sound off. Now, as you can see, this is not necessarily a, this is almost a Pictree type of video in a sense. So, but the point is, you would, in your description below, you'd go ahead and put your affiliate link. Here they're talking, they want you to go to their keto course. They have the other videos. Here's some recipes. If we click on the recipes, let's see what comes up. Keto recipes. So again, they probably are able to make some money, through this website. And yeah, this is what you're going to be doing, okay? Just like the example here. You upload your video in the description link, put some description, but then put your affiliate links, and that's how you're going to make money. All right, so just a quick overview again of what we're doing. We're going to decide on what we're going to use. Well, first, let me backtrack. So, overview, we are using YouTube as a high quality, high traffic source to make affiliate commissions. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to find an ebook or article about the topic that we want. In this case, it was keto. And then we're going to use a software such as Pictree to take the text content, turn it into a video, and then upload that video to our YouTube channel, and in the description put our affiliate links. Those are the steps. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Leave me a comment if you have questions, and feel free to click the links below to learn more about bigproductstore.com and the Pictree software.